Among many strange places in the world, Baltra Island in Ecuador's Galapagos Islands is full of mystery. One of the most surprising things is that it never rains on this island, even though it is in a tropical area. Rain falls on nearby islands, but it stops before reaching Baltra. Another mystery is that there are no trees, animals, or even insects on this island. A researcher named Wagner did an experiment. He realized animals near Baltra, but they avoided the island. Even birds flying near it turned back, as if something invisible is blocking them. Even compasses don't work properly here. While flying over Baltra, the compass shows strange directions, but everything returns to normal after leaving the area. Tourists have said they feel strange after entering the island. Some get headaches, feel confused, or even forget things. However, many also say they feel peaceful and don't want to leave. During World War II, the United States used Baltra as an airways. Now it is used by Ecuador's military and is also a tourist spot. Scientists still don't know the reason behind these strange things. Baltra remains a mysterious place that attracts curious people from around the world. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.